Hey everyone, Dr. Rahimi here. So today we're going to do a quick video showing suture removal using number 11 blade. We do have another video showing suture removal using the scissors and the forceps as well, so be sure to check that out. But here we go here, and it's a zoom. This is a close-up, two simple interrupted sutures here. So grab the tail, you see that, I lift up, and the sharp end, boom, nick, real easy. They come right out. So I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna grab the tail, lift the suture just a little bit, and nick it right there, right in the middle. Usually it comes right out very easily with this 11 blade, okay? Very sharp, sometimes found in suture kits. Here's a zoomed in view again. So grab that tail, nick it. And one more time, slow it down, there you go, grab it, and like butter.
So here is the video with the scissors. So we have 4 sutures here, and you see him grabbing the little bunny ear / tail there and lifting up and trying to get underneath that loop and cut that suture. Now I like the blade better than the scissors. Sometimes the scissors that come in the suture removal kit are, in honesty, just crap, and you oftentimes have to tug a lot at the skin, and it's uncomfortable for the patient when you're removing these and they're so close together like that. So the blade, my preference, but you pick your poison.